The laziest rice cooker hack. Addictive miso garlic salmon rice. $150 of rice, Japanese short grain. Wash the rice until the water runs clear. Soak it in water until ready to cook later. $10 of Italian parsley or your favorite herbs. Finely chopped. One clove of garlic. Grate. One and a half tablespoon of miso. 1 tablespoon of sake or white wine. 1 tablespoon of mirin. Half teaspoon of somi shantan or your favorite stock or bouillon. Grated garlic. Mix well. Put drained washed rice into the rice cooker in a pot. 220 ml of water. Add half of the miso sauce made earlier. Mix well. $150 of salmon, any kind is fine. If unsalted, add a pinch of salt. Spread the remaining miso sauce on top of the salmon. $30 of corn. Keep the total amount of ingredients, including rice, under half the capacity of the inner pot. Do not mix or put ingredients under the rice, but place them on top of the rice to cook. Cook as you would normal white rice. Once cooked, add your favorite herbs. If you don't like salmon skin, remove it. If there are bones, remove them. Add an appropriate amount of butter. Mix well before serving. Garnish with more herbs if you like. 今日の料理はニンニク味噌の鮭ご飯でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.